everyone, I'm Ivy. It's my great honor to introduce our packing machine to you this time. With more and more vacuum foods on the market, the demand for vacuum packing machine is also increasing. The development of vacuum packing machine realizes the automation of packing production, increases the production efficiency, and greatly reduces the cost of products. The one behind me is our vacuum packing machine, MRZK-100. Since this model is launched, it is widely praised by customers. The speed can be up to 90 to 95 bags per minute. In bag type, this model is only suitable for 4-side ceiling bag. MRZK-100 high-speed vacuum packing machine is composed of 2 parts: bag-given turntable and the vacuum turntable. Now, let me introduce the 10 stations of bag-given turntable. The first one is bag-given station. Our bag-given device is vertical type. It can put 200 to 300 bags at one time. This is a data printing station. The printer is an optional device. The third station is for opening bag. We have installed a sensor in this station. No bag or the bag mouth is not open. No filling and the empty bag can enter a vacuum chamber. The fourth station is filling product. Different products have different fillings. This is annular filler. Customers can put the product into each part. And then the popping can pops the product into bag. It is suitable for some meat products. Annular filler. The machine can also equip different fillers, such as cup filler, multi-head weighers, pickle filler, and various kinds of elevators. The next 3 stations are all optional stations, which can be equipped with flattening device, air blowing device, liquid filler, or bag bottom vibrating device. The following station is to straighten the bag mouth and detect whether there is product in the bag. The next station is bag delivery station. The mechanical arm is transferred between the 2 turntables to transfer the bag from the bag-given turntable to the vacuum turntable. If bag is unopened or without products, will not be transferred to the vacuum chamber. The empty bag can be recycled. Then, let's look at the part of vacuum turntable. The vacuum chamber uses a swap station design. The vacuum chamber is made of high-quality aviation aluminum with a reliable sealing effect and a beautiful appearance. The vacuum actions mainly start from this position. The first is a semi-vacuum action, and then after 3-4 vacuum actions, the bag enters a completely vacuum state. After vacuum, machine starts to seal the bag. Use a heating sealing bar to seal the bag mouth firstly, and then cooling water will cool the bag mouth to normal temperature. Finally, the finished bag goes onto the conveyor belt. The above is my introduction to the working stations of vacuum packing machine. After talking about functions, let's talk about the machine itself. Our rack technology is one-piece molding. The rack plate is twice as thick as the normal plate. The weight of rack is 1.3 tons, which is more stable and durable. All transmissions are sent by one shaft. The transmission is simple and direct, with little wear and easy maintenance. In terms of cams, all cams are redesigned and manufactured at a rate of 120 cycles per minute. The can disc is larger and the can groove is more smooth. The machine equips automatic circulation oil lubrication system, which continuously injects oil directly into the parts that need to be lubricated. which makes the tedious process of daily oiling to monthly oil, greatly reduces the workload of workers and makes operation and maintenance more convenient. In the electrical configuration, the whole machine is required by European export standards, most of which use imported brands such as Siemens, Vestel, SMC, Mitsubishi, and so on. Because it's a high-speed vacuum packing machine, this model is only suitable for small bags. The bag width is from 50 to 100 mm. The bag length is from 60 to 180 mm. If your bag is bigger size, you need a bigger model vacuum packing machine. Except the vacuum packing machine, we also have vacuum packing machine. If you have any packing project, please feel free to contact me.